Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how to stream on Twitch in 1080p. First, open the OBS on your PC or laptop. Next, click the settings located at the top left and then select Output. If you want to stream in 1080p, 60 FPS on Twitch, set the bitrate to 6000 kbps. For lower resolutions and frames per second, the Twitch guideline recommends a bitrate of around 4500 kbps, and then after changing that bitrate, click the Start Streaming in OBS, and you'll go live on Twitch. And there you have it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.